Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss single source shortest path. For that we need weighted graph. We need to choose one vertex as a source, remaining vertices will act as a destination. We need to find out the shortest path from source to destination. Here it is the example, this is the weighted graph. Next we need to choose one vertex as a source. Here I have taken source is 1. From 1 to remaining vertices I need to calculate the shortest path. In step 1, source is taken as 1. From 1 to 2, I know weight is 5 and 1 to 3, I know weight is 2. But I don't know weight from 1 to 4 directly. For that, I have taken it is infinity because 4 is not visible to 1 directly. Then this is the array type. This is the shortest path from each and every vertices. From source to 1, that means from 1 to 1 weight is 0 and 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, sorry, 1 to 2 is 5 and 1 to 3 is 2. Next I don't know 1 to 4, so it is taken as infinity. Okay, now go to step 2. Here I need to take next another vertices from source to another from source to we have calculated some shortest path. Next from source to another vertices and that vertices to another vertices I need to calculate the shortest path. First I have calculated 1 to 1. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Now I am going to calculate it 1 to 1 to 3 because it is the second lowest weight in the paths. Okay. So I need to calculate it from 3 to remaining vertices. 3 is connected to 1 and 4. 1 and 4. But we already know 3 is connected to 1 and 4. But we have already calculated shortest path from source to 3. So 3 is connected to source and we need to calculate it from 3 to 1 and 4. So we need to calculate it from 1 to 1 and 1 to 4. Let's see this in detail. 1 to 3. Then need to calculate it 3 to 4. 3 to 4. 3 to 1. Okay. Calculated 1 to 3 and 3 to 4. That means totally 1 to 4. Here I need to calculate it from 1 to 3, then 3 to 1, 1 to 3, then 3 to 1. That means totally 1 to 1. Okay. That means 3 to 4 how much? 3 to 4 is 3 to 4 is 3. So 3. And I need to also calculate it from 1 to 3. 1 to 3 how much? 2 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 1 to 4 equal to 5. That means here 1 to 4 is infinity. Now I got 1 to 4 as 5. 5 is less than infinity. So change this infinity as 1 to 1. 1 to 1 equal, that means 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is 2 and 1 to 3 is 2. 2 plus is equal to 4. But I have is 1 to 1 is 0. So as 0 is less than 4, no need to update. No. Here, yes. That means here I have updated and here no updation. Okay. Next go to step 3. In step 3 we need to take another smallest vertex. Now till now I have completed 1 to 1 and 1 to 3, and now I need to take another vertices. 1 and 3 as completed. Next smallest vertices is here. I got two fives. Either I can take second or fourth. Now I have been taken second. 2 as vertex. From that vertex I need to calculate values. So 2 is connected to 1 and 4. So but 2 is also already connected to 1. So 1 2. Now I need to calculate the from 2 to 2 is connected to 2 to 1, which is equal to 1 to 1. Next 1 to 2, then 1 to 2, and 2 is connected to, already I have completed 2 to 1, and 2 to 4. 2 to total equal to 1 to 4. So from 1 to 2 value is 5, plus from 2 to 1 value is 5 is equal to 10. That means 1 to 1 I got 10, but here 1 to 1 is 0, so no need to update. Now 1 to 2, 1 to 2 value is 5, plus 2 to 4, 2 to 4 value is 9. 5 plus 9 equal to 14. This is also no need to update because 1 to 4 already 5. This is the small than 14, so no need to update. Next, consider final vertex, which is 4. But 4 is already connected to 1, so 1 to 4. Then we need to calculate 4 to 2 and 4 to 3. First 1 to 4 and 1 to 4. After that I need to calculate it 4 to 2, 4 to 3. Okay. From 1 to 4 and 4 to 2 it will becomes 1 to 2. 1 to 4, 1 to 1 to 4 and 4 to 3 it will becomes 1 to 3. 1 to 4 value is 9, plus 4 to 2 value is 1 to 4 value is 5. Sorry, 4 to 2, that means 1 to 4 value is 5. Sorry, 5, and 4 to 2 value is 9. Then 1 to 4 value is 5, and 4 to 3 value is 3, which is equal to 8. 1 to 2, which is equal to 5, but here I got 14, which is greater than already present, so no need to update. And here I got 1 2 3 as 8, but I already have 2, which is smaller than new value, so no need to update. So this is the final shortest path from each and every, from source to each and every vertex. From 1 to 1 I got 0, 1 to 2 I got 5, 1 to 3 2, 1 to 4 5. These are all the shortest path from 1 to remaining vertices. Thank you.